Thank you for purchasing the business cards for authors. Once you receive your template and you click on it, it should take you here to Canva, and here you will just make the changes you need. Add your name. If you need to make this font bigger, you can do that here, or smaller, depending on the size of your name. Right here, yours will say all about me, and I have just put in children's book author. You could add more information, less information. Right here, you'll want to put in your website, your email, and your phone number here. Now, the color scheme that I have these is set up for my books, obviously here. So if this will work for your books, that's great. If for some reason it does not, I will show you how you can make that change. So all you're going to have to do is over here, upload your book. So your book will go in this spot. So I'm going to show you. Once you click upload media, upload your book, you can get your book picture from Amazon.com, right click and save it. And then you would just upload that here, and you will click on your book and drag it over into these boxes. If you only have one book, you may want to delete one. You could always have the back cover if you wanted, or an upcoming book, but if you need to delete, that's how you do it. Now, once you pick your books here, if you wanted, let's just say you wanted to change the background here, you'll click on the background. And I do have a swirl. You'll see this swirl that's actually on top, and that's probably what's going to come up first when you try to click on your background. If you'll hold down Control and click again, it's going to highlight your background. And this background color is beige. But once you put your books into these squares, it will give you other suggestions of possible background colors, and you may want to switch that out as well. Once you decide which one of these templates you want to use, or you could actually create one of all three of them, you're going to want to save this. To do that, you're going to click the share button, scroll down to download. Now, because there are 3 templates in this one file, you're going to click which one you want to download. I would download them each separately because you're going to want to save them separately. So once you check the box of the one you want to do, you're going to click download, and it's going to download it for you. Then what I always do is I open it and I click over here and save it as whatever it is I want to name it. That way you can remember where your file is. Now, one option that I have not done is you can print business cards here from Canva. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check on that and explore that option. If not, I'm going to show you how you can do that in Vistaprint. Once you're on the Vistaprint home page, click over here on business cards, and you can go ahead and choose the standard business card. And then click upload design because you have one already. Standard and select. Then you're going to upload the card that you have created and saved. So click here where it said upload design, upload your image. So you will find that wherever you saved it. Here's mine. And it will upload. There it is. You're going to make sure everything is in, it says safety area, these dotted lines, make sure everything is within that. If it's not, if your name's running over here or something over those dotted lines, you're going to need to go back into Canva and change that and then do it again. All right, then you're going to click next, and that is just the front. Now, if you wanted to do a back, you can always do a back. You can design it over here, or you can continue without a back. And you will make sure everything looks good here. Check, 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 check. Make sure everything looks good. You'll have to click yes and then continue. If it's not, click here, edit your design, go back to Canva, fix whatever problems you have, and then you'll just continue there and make your purchase. And that's all you have to do.